In this video, I want to talk about traffic, because generating traffic is the start of your sales funnel. Without traffic, nothing else happens. So you want to get people to your squeeze page to sign up for your freebie, sign up to your mailing list, and then everything else can flow from there. But if nobody actually comes to your page, if there's no traffic, it doesn't matter how good your products are, it doesn't matter how well thought out your sales funnel is, nothing is going to happen. It's just going to simply wither and die. So let's talk about different ways that you can get traffic to your website. Perhaps one of the best ways, and certainly one of the most efficient ways of getting traffic to a squeeze page, is via solo ads. Now, the way solo ads work is you pay a list owner, another mailing list owner, someone in your same niche, to send an email to their list advertising your freebie. And then people go to your squeeze page and sign up. And this works because it's super targeted. The people on the list are going to be in your niche and they're going to be interested in your giveaway. It's probably the most cost-effective form of advertising if you're just starting out. Now, if possible, and this isn't always possible because it depends on what type of mailing list software the person who owns the list that you're buying into has got. But if possible, you want to try and split test your ad. So you want to have two different versions of your ad sent to selected portions of the list. And then you want to see which one converts the best. And so you can then roll out that message to the entire list, and you'll know that you're going to get a lot of good responses that way. Now, as I said, it isn't always possible to do that. It depends on the list owner, but if you can do it, it's best to do it. Okay, where can you find list owners who sell solo ads? Some good places to look are the classified ads section of the Warrior Forum, which you'll find here at warriorforum.com/warrior-forum-classified-ads. And the Warrior Forum is a forum for marketers, so you can connect with other marketers, and you're going to find lots of people on this site who have lists who will be prepared to sell you a solo ad. So you can look at all sorts of different niches from this site, from marketers on this site. Another good place to look is on Facebook, and in particular this group, which is Solo Ads Testimonials. You can find that at facebook.com/groups/Solo Ads Testimonials. And you can see here where people give feedback on solo ad vendors that they've used, and it's a good place to find people who let their lists out for solo ads. Another way to drive traffic to your website and to your squeeze page is via social media. And when I say social media, I mean sites like Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and more. Now, a couple of caveats here. First and foremost, realize and be aware that it does take time to build a list using social media. It's not going to give you the sort of instant traffic that you're going to get via solo ads. And you must be careful not to violate the network's policies. Some social media networks are more open to this sort of use than others. Now, regardless of what social media network you're targeting, probably the simplest way to drive traffic to your squeeze page is to have that squeeze page as your website in your profile. Lots of social media networks will want you to fill out a profile, and there will be a space there for you to put your website URL in. Well, if you put your squeeze page there, when people want to find out more about you, they go to look at your profile, they see the link, they click it, and they're taken to your squeeze page and they can sign up. The way that social media sites operate and generating traffic from social media is quite an involved subject and goes beyond the scope of this video. And of course, you have to approach different social media sites in a slightly different manner. However, there are some things that you can do on any social media site, like including the link to your squeeze page in your profile, that are going to get you lots of profile views, that are going to get lots of people interested in you and curious about who you are and what you do and that sort of thing. So a few good rules of thumb, regardless of the social media network, is to first of all follow lots of people in your niche. Make sure that you're on lots of different lists. And post great content to your social media site at least twice a day. And it shouldn't be too salesy. It should be, participating in the discussion that's going on the social media site. You also want to share your chosen social media page on your website. You could have a little thing that says follow us on Facebook or visit my Google Plus profile, that sort of thing. And you also want to promote your social media page on any marketing material. So you want to have it on your business cards, on posters, on offline ads, on internet ads, etc. Similar to social media sites are forum sites. And forum sites are probably better than social media in lots of ways because they tend to be very niche specific. So you find that there are forum sites that are aimed only at specific industries or specific interests. So what you can do on a forum site is, first of all, you can have the link to your squeeze page in your profile as before. The same things apply as on social media. But you could also have a link to your squeeze page in your SIG. And this is a good example of a forum SIG. This is on the Warrior Forum, which is an internet marketing forum. But you can see I can click on these leads here and get taken to this person's website very easily. Now, some forums will let you join as a free member, but you have to pay in order to have a SIG link. Others will let you have a SIG link right away. Some you have to be at a certain level to have a clickable link in your SIG. So you need to check with the forum to see exactly what their policies are. Another great site for driving traffic to your website and to your squeeze page is YouTube. Now, one tactic that you can use on YouTube is to make a short video extolling the virtues of your freebie and then have a clickable link below it in the box on YouTube where you're able to fill out the description. You can simply have a clickable link so that people can watch your video, click the link, and go to your squeeze page. Now, one thing that you should not use to drive traffic to a squeeze page at the start of your sales funnel is Google AdWords. Now, years ago, this was a 100% guaranteed way to get people to sign up. You would have a compelling Google AdWords ad which would direct people to your squeeze page and then they could sign up. And although there was a cost involved, you knew that you were going to get your money back because you were effectively paying so much a name. Then Google changed their policies and this became strictly forbidden. And anybody who did that found that immediately their AdWords account was shut. They were banned from using AdWords forever, and it just made life very, very difficult. So of all the different methods, one that you should not use is AdWords. So there you go, just a few ways that you can get traffic to your squeeze page and to start the whole process of getting people onto your list and into your sales funnel.